So see, this was our program. P1 is input port, P2 is output port. Then data of P1 is loaded in A, and then data from A I have loaded to port 2. Okay. So this was program build target, rebuild target. So as you can see here, zero warning, zero error. Whenever the zero warning, zero error is not resolved, you cannot run the program. So go in debug. As you can see here, start and stop debug. So click on it. Evaluation version running with code size limit 2K. Means what? It is indicating that you are using the unlicensed version. So you cannot program, you cannot make the program which is having a file size larger than 2 kilobytes. Okay. So click on OK. Then on peripherals, you have to see which this is a inbuilt emulator also. So you can open the ports. So we have used port 1 and port 2. So you can keep it over here. Okay. So as you can see, this is a port 1 and 2. So write any value to port. So I have written hexadecimal 23 and click on in the pin menu bar. So you can see this is a 23 hexadecimal value on port 1. So click on the debugging, then you'll see that the value of port 1 is transferred to port 3. So as you can see here, step-by-step debugging is there. Shortcuts are there. You can click it over here also. Okay, step over. What is the function of step over? I'll explain in next programming example. So step into. As you can see, this cursor is pointing towards P2. So this P2 instruction is loaded into program counter. So it is executing that. So I click on it. So see, as you can see, the P2 is equal to 00 executed. See my cursor, correct? Now, P1 data is loaded in A now when I click on here. So see, as you can see here, R7 is 23 now. R7 is 23 now. Then means this 23 hexadecimal value is loaded in variable A. Getting, we have declared variable A, but when it converted to the machine language, it is stored into the register bank. Means all variables are stored into the register banks. But C language is simple language, so you can store into any variable that name is given by you only. So as you can see here, it is 00. So 23 is not displayed over here. 23 is just transferred to R7. Means variable A, you can say in short in C language. And if I again click on step into, as you can see, the 23 is displayed over this port. Okay. So this single execution of program is completed now. Okay. If I again click onto this, the disassembly is open, means your program is halted now. It is stopped. Correct? So it cannot execute the program again and again. So every time you click on it, it will show error like this. Means what? This program will be executed once only. If you have to execute this program again and again, then simply what you have to do, you have to use a while loop that we have already studied. Okay, while loop. Now, while loop, how to use it? Whatever program you have to write once only, that will be outside while loop, and whatever you have to execute infinite time, that will be inside the while loop. So what we have to execute infinite, take data from port 1, transfer to port 2. This to be executed infinite time, but declaration of variable A, again port 1, port 2 as an input output, this declaration is once only. So what you can do, you can take it out of while loop, and whatever you have to execute multiple time. As you can see, I am writing in while loop. So if you see this, see the open curly bracket I have chosen. See the bracket position. The first bracket position was on the topmost left side, and this bracket position is on the somewhat one space bar on the right side. Means it is also indicating that you can debug it likewise. Means see the position of the open and close curly bracket. It is somewhat on the right side of the first open curly bracket. Okay, so So if you see here, if I write 12 and click it here, see it is reflected downward immediately. If I again change it to A7, A7 hexadecimal value, again I click it here. See on the port 2, it is immediately reflected A7, means this while loop is now continuously executing because of pressing of this run button. Okay, if I press stop button, as you can see the pointer is pointing towards the A is equal to P1, means it is indicating that your program counter is continuously in the while loop now. Okay, so whatever values you will write into the port 1, say suppose 03, then again click it here, it becomes now 03. When you write here 9F, 9F is reflected over port 2. So this is the input output operation of the ports. Is it clear how to do the programming and how to debug the program? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
If any doubt,
No,
please
sir.
ask. Do you get how to execute the continuous loop? See, while one. In assembly, what we are doing, we were in assembly we were using S jump here again and again, again and again. So that was jumping again and again. Here we have written only while loop, and whatever you have to execute continuously, you will write into the while loop. Okay. So I'll stop it here. We'll see another program example. Okay. So this is your first program of input output operation. Now we'll check the toggling of the ports. So first of all, you have to click on close project. Okay. Then again, new project. Then toggle LED program will be there. .uv2. Okay. You can choose Atmel also. You can choose Atmel 89C51 also. There is no issue. You can go for it. Add file to the project. No. Then make one new C file. Give the name. Toggle LED.c. Add this file to the source group. Toggle LED. Okay. So this is added over here. Huh? So we'll again start from hash include rec51.h void main program bracket open bracket close. So we'll continuously toggle, say suppose port 0. So port 0 is equal to, we are toggling, means we are making it as output. So 0x 0x 0 0. Okay. There is no need of what we say delay. We want delay. So what we can do, we can give one variable called unsigned character I. So for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than equal to say suppose 1 millisecond delay, so it is 1.1275 I plus plus. Don't write semicolon here. Bracket open, bracket close. So port 1 is equal to negation of port 1. You can write 0 0 and FF also. So I have done here P1 is equal to negation of P1. You can write it like this also. So now see what is the error. When this P1 was upper side to the unsigned character, it was showing error to the unsigned character. When I copied this and pasted below that instruction of unsigned character, now the error becomes 0. Very minor error is there, but it should be noted that P0 declaration should be bottom to the unsigned character I. So it is 0 warning, 0 error, as you can see. Sorry, the error is that again one more minor mistake was there. I have declared port 0 as output port, but I am toggling port 1. So again I have to write 0 over here. Okay. So again save it, build it, and then start debugging. Okay. Again open the peripheral port 0. Okay. So see, if I debugging it, port 0 ला 00 दिले, बघा, port 1 toggle झाला. See, it will execute that I is equal to 0 to 1275. एवढ्या वेळेस port हा toggle होणार आहे. As you can see, this will be executed for 1275 times toggling of port. When this 1275 will over, this program execution will be altered. Okay. Now so here I'm changing this variable because of program is not executing correctly. So it is halting over here. It means somewhat issue is there. So what we'll do, we'll write one delay over here, semicolon. delay. Okay. Okay. So what error is there? Yes, I got it. I got that error. Here instead of character, I have to write int because 1275 this value is greater than 255. So that's why it should be loaded in character. It should be inserted in place of integer. Now, so see, as you can see, it is blinking. LED is blinking. Yes, it is becoming 1 1 and then 0 0. It is becoming 1 1 and then 0 0. One question will be there: why these lower pins are not going high? Can anyone tell me why this is so? कोणी सांगू शकता का? फक्त पोर्ट ब्लिंक होतोय, पिन का ब्लिंक होत नाहीये? कोणी सांगू शकता?
आपण पूर्ण पोर्टला दिलंय ना म्हणून.
नाही. नाही. See, one more change I am doing. Instead of only toggling port 1, I'll toggle, sorry, port 0, I'll toggle port 1 also. Okay. आता 2 पोर्ट टॉगल करतोय मी. आता सांगा मला. As you can see on screen, port 0, only port is toggling, not pin. And for port 1, port is toggling and pins are also toggling. कोणाला सांगते? असं का होत असेल? सांगता येईल कोणाला? अरे आहेत का? का गेले? उमेर, शर्वरी, आदित्य.
पोर्टला एकच सिंगल फंक्शन आहे म्हणून.
नाही, मल्टी फंक्शन आहे. पोर्ट 0 पण मल्टी फंक्शन आहे. डेटा बिट्स त्याच्यावर.
पोर्ट 1 नाही आहे ना. पोर्ट 1 सिंगल फंक्शन आहे म्हणून.
पोर्ट 1 ला सिंगल फंक्शन. पोर्ट 3 दाखवतो तरी. I can show you port 3 also. Very simple reasoning. Port 3 is also multifunction. So this port 3 you can toggle it also. Now I will अरे बिल्ड नाही केलं ना आपण. बिल्ड नाही केलं त्याच्यामुळे तो त्याने कन्सिडर नाही केला. सी आदित्य, पोर्ट 3 पण आता मल्टी फंक्शन आहे. असं का झालं असेल? काही सांगता येईल का?
आपण जर सिंगल पिनला एखाद्या पिनला दिला असतं तर झालं असतं ना सर.
नाही ना, मग आता सगळीकडे आपण बघा ना, पोर्ट वर तुम्ही चेक करा, सगळे पोर्ट्स एकाच पद्धतीने ऑन ऑफ केलेले. असं का होत असेल? व्हेरी सिम्पल आन्सर. द 3 ports, port 1, 2, 3 has internal pull-up register, but port 0 do not has internal pull-up register. So That's why pins are not toggling, codes are toggling. कळतंय का? एक्सटर्नल पुलअप जर आपण कन्सिडर लावला, कनेक्ट केला तर पिन्स पुलअप होतील मग. कळतंय? So this is your program for toggling. Okay, so I hope it is clear. The delay loop is also, I hope it is clear. एक प्रॉब्लेम काय होता की ही जो 1275 ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ही ग्रेटर दॅन 255 होती. त्याच्यामुळे ती कॅरेक्टर मध्ये अनसाइन्ड कॅरेक्टर मध्ये इन्सर्ट न करता ती अनसाइन्ड इंट मध्ये इन्सर्ट करावी लागेल. दॅट्स वाय देर वॉज सम मायन्यूट एरर दॅट प्रोग्राम वॉज नॉट एक्झिक्युटिंग. बघा म्हणजे आपण प्रोग्रामिंग आपण ऍक्युरेट करत होतो पण या मायनर मिस्टेकमुळे प्रोग्राम ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये रन होत नाही. आपण बऱ्याच वेळेस म्हणतो प्रोग्राम करेक्ट, प्रोग्राम रन का होत नाही, हे मायन्यूट रिझन्स असतात. सो दिस इज द केस. नाउ इज देयर एनी डाऊट इन टू प्रोग्राम्स? येस, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रिमेनिंग प्रोग्रामिंग किल सॉफ्टवेअर. आपण टायमरचा पण यूज बघणार आहोत. आज आपण डिले प्रोग्राम बघितलाय. काय डाऊट याच्यात?
नाही सर.
डिबगिंग बघा कसं करायचंय. हे बघा इथे मी क्लिक केलंय, बघा खाली ऍरो क्लोज ब्रॅकेट ओपन ब्रॅकेट दाखवतोय. तर कोणता ब्रॅकेट क्लोज कोणाचा आहे ही सुद्धा याच्यात तुम्ही अशा शॉर्टकट्स तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवू शकता. बघा, आय होप इट इज क्लिअर. सो प्रॅक्टिस इट, डाउनलोड किल सॉफ्टवेअर, वॉट एव्हर प्रोग्राम्स आय ऑलरेडी गिवन यू, क्रिएट प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड डम्प इन टू द किल सॉफ्टवेअर अँड देन टेस्ट इट. तुमचं प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल त्याच्याने इम्प्रूव्ह होईल. ओके, so I hope now it is clear. So this is it in our today's program. I think there is next schedule for you. So we will move on to the next schedule. I think there is one industrial visit for you, na? So go on and practice it.
Yeah.
Thank you.